Well, this, my friends, represents a promise fulfilled, both to myself and to you. For I don't know how long you guys have asked me for some imagery of my garden, a diagram of all the different parts and how they fit together. And finally, I had one commissioned. It turned out just beautifully. And Stuart has done a version where he has actually put each area and defined each area as I refer to my different garden rooms on this rendering. And yes, we will make it available. We'll have it in different sizes. It will be under printables on LVTV. You will be able to copy it out, download it. I don't know about you, but whenever I visit a garden that really inspires me, I like to have a diagram of that garden. I bring it home and I frame it, or at least I have it for reference. So if you are one of the many who have inquired about a diagram of my garden, this is my promise to you fulfilled.